Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Tensorflow and enable GPU to work with it. Okay, you need cuDNN and also you need CUDA Toolkit to enable your Tensorflow to work with your GPU. Okay, and you have to select the suitable versions of those two programs with Tensorflow to make the specific version of Tensorflow work with your GPU. Okay, you can detect this by going here. As you can see, I had the last version of Tensorflow, which is 2.10, and it doesn't shows my GPU. It doesn't work with my GPU, so I had to see what's wrong. And I will show you how to solve this problem now. You can go to this website. I recommend you to not go with the last versions of Tensorflow, because from my experience the last day I was struggling to enable my GPU, and from my search I discovered that Tensorflow the last version doesn't have a problem with Tensorflow GPU. It doesn't work, it doesn't show the GPU, so I had to downgrade my Tensorflow and also downgrade my CUDA as well. So I select those programs, those whatever you say, الversion, الCUDA, cuDNN, and it worked with me. Okay, you can download this revo in uninstaller and uninstall any NVIDIA program that you have. You can uninstall anything if you face the same problem as well as me. Okay, this program have solved the issue because I deleted my programs. I deleted NVIDIA from add and remove program, and it still doesn't want to downgrade my CUDA. Okay, so you decide what you want, and you can go with my recommendation. You can go with anything from those selection or those options. Okay, you can go ahead and download CUDA 11.2 from this link. Okay, CUDA Toolkit, and you have here to select the CUDA 11.2. Then go to Windows or Linux as you select your operating system, and I have version 10, and you can select either one, it doesn't matter. If you select local, it will install it locally, and if you select network, you have to install it using a program. Okay, after downloading this, you will find something like this in downloads, programs. Okay, you can go ahead and install it. It takes time. Okay, no problem. You can go ahead and install it. I already did it. Next thing, after install it, you will find it here in this folder, CUDA. Okay, next step, you can go and install the second program. Go here. You will have to make an account for this. I already made it. You have to agree and select archive cuDNN. cuDNN, and we already have chosen this one, so we're gonna search and find it here. I download it. After downloading it, you just click here and select Windows or any operating system as you wish. After downloading it, you will find it here in downloads, programs, in download compression. You just go and extract your files and you will find it here. Okay, next step, you can go and copy this and go to your program file and search for the same program files and search for NVIDIA GPU and go ahead and paste your files here. Next step, you go in bin, take this, go to environment system and add it here. I already did it. You just go new and paste your code, paste your path here. Okay, you have to add another path. We can see it here. The other path you gonna add it is here, lib vvv, and you're gonna take this and add another path, environment, new path, new, and just paste your path here and press OK. I already did it. Okay. After this step, you're gonna need to restart your PC. Okay. After this step, you can go ahead and make your Jupyter Notebook library. You can go ahead and make cuDA, create any virtual environment that you want. Name it Tensorflow 2.7 or as you wish, doesn't matter. And the most important thing is that you need to install the specific TensorFlow that we have decided to use, which anyone, if you have those two things, you need to install something from those TensorFlow versions. Okay, I already select this one. So you're gonna have to write TensorFlow, then 2.7.0 and press enter. Okay, it's gonna take time. After installing your TensorFlow, I will show you how to add it to your Jupyter Notebook as a kernel here. I already did like tons of those kernels. So after downloading after creating your TensorFlow library, you can go ahead and use this command that I will leave it in my description of the file of the video. Just copy this here and you go write your name of your environment, virtual environment, and here also you write your name of it, 2.7, and press enter. Okay, after doing this step, it will be added to your Jupyter Notebook to use it like this. Okay, that's it. If you wanna downgrade anything, don't go ahead with adding and removing it from don't go ahead on removing it from here, because it's already not showing me. I already have the NVIDIA, but it doesn't show here for some reason. I don't know why, but this program can show you any program, and it will remove its dependency also. Okay, I hope this kinda help you and to show you that this already worked with me. I can go ahead and import Tensorflow and check if my GPU working now, and Tensorflow it can see my GPU now. So the summary of this video, don't go ahead and download the last version because it will not work. It will not see your GPU. Okay, see ya in the next video. Bye.